Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make vlog thumbnail on Picsart. So here I've already on the Picsart app, and here you can just start by using a background. So I'm going to choose the background first. I'm going to click on the color backgrounds. I'm going to just choose white, then click on tools and then crop it into 16 by 9 like this, following the YouTube video size. And then after that you can just add the photo that you want on the background, sorry, on the thumbnail. Okay, so for example, I'm going to just use this three photos. Okay, after that you can click on add. Here adjust the position and also the size. I'm going to put it in here, then make it bigger like this. You can also hide, I'm going to hide the layers. You can do it like so. Okay, I'm going to use the erase tool to erase some of the part of the photo. Okay, for example, like this. Then I'm going to click on the check icon and then put this photo in the bottom. I'm going to crop it only this part, then put it in here, and then you can also use the same erase tool. Like this. Okay, now you can just add tags. I'm going to click on tags and then add the tags here. For example, choose the color that you want and also the style that you want. Okay, I'm going to change the font first like this, and I'm going to add a stroke like this. And you can also add stickers. I'm going to just add the subscribe button stickers here, this one. Then I'm going to put it in here, and that's it. This is the thumbnail. You can just click on the check icon at the top right corner and click on the arrow down to download. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.